You'll enjoy connecting around food and flame all year round with the Vermont Castings cooking grill. First, you'll need to remove the 1/4 to 20-inch nut and washer located inside the firebox at the top. Next, install the grill bracket and reinstall the washer and nut. Wearing gloves for safety, insert the grill handle into the slots on both sides of the grill. Place the grill into the stove by tilting back slightly, resting the back grill tabs onto the damper housing. The front of the grill will rest on the front bracket. Remove the grill handle and enjoy. Here are a few grilling tips. Insert the grill before adding food. The cooking grill works best with a small fire, primarily burnt down to coals. You can grill with the damper open or closed. For high heat and searing, keep damper open. For lower temperatures and more intense smoke flavor, close the damper. Wood can be added through the front door during grilling. Only grill food over non-resinous hardwoods. Grilling over pine, larch, or other conifers may give food an unpleasant taste. If the catalytic performance pack is installed, do not grill with the damper closed. Food byproducts may get lodged within the catalyst and deem it inoperable. We hope you enjoy your Vermont Castings grilling experience.